How to send USDT from Binance to Binance using ID. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to send USDT from Binance to Binance using ID. So let's get started. So first thing first, just open up your Binance application and make sure you're currently logged in as well as verified your account, and just head over to your asset or wallet section from the bottom right corner. So since my account is not verified, I'll simply show you from an example. So your wallet section should look like this at the bottom right corner. Just tap on that. And once you tap on that, just head over to your funding or spot section depending upon your USDT value. And once inside here, just tap on this withdraw button at the top. And once you tap on withdraw, you can simply select this second option, that is send via phone or email ID or ID. And then you will be redirected to this screen where you simply have to choose your Binance ID or PID, because we want to send from one Binance ID to another Binance. So make sure you choose that and just enter withdrawal amount. You can also add a additional note, which is optional. And once you do all of that, just click on send. And there you have it guys. That is exactly how you can easily send USDT from your one Binance to another Binance using ID. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.